Namaste, this is Shalini M of Level D. In this video, we are going to see about opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost? Before going to definition, we will see some examples. Let us take our own example. After completion of 10th board exam, we need to choose what is next. We have two options whether to take up science stream or commerce stream. By choosing commerce stream, a person can become chartered accountant, bank manager and so on. And by taking up science, a person can become doctor, engineer and so on. Here comes the answer for the question, what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost represent the potential benefits an individual misses out when choosing one alternative over another. This definition can be explained with before example. That if a person chooses science field, the opportunity cost is the number of job opportunities that a person missed by choosing science field instead of commerce field. We will make it clear with another example. A person starts his own bakery business. Let us assume that he worked in a big company before starting his own bakery. In his own business, he earned 25,000 per month, whereas he got 35,000 in his full-time job. By starting his own business, he had a loss of 10,000 rupees, and also there is no security for his regular income when compared to his full-time job. Opportunity cost of a person is 10,000 rupees that he gave up by starting his own business instead of continuing his full-time job. I hope that you have learnt an important topic in business by watching this video. Thank you for watching this video.